Pretty exciting news coming today from Mobile, Alabama. City is spending about $700,000 towards a roof repair program. There's a new program that could help people in Mobile get repairs for the roof damage. The City Neighborhood Development Department is taking applications until April 29 for the City Critical Repair Program. Is funded by $700,000 that came in a federal grant. So if you think about it, it covers up to $10,000 to pay for roof repairs or replacements, which makes it about 70 roofs. If you live in Mobile, Alabama, you can qualify. To be eligible, applicants must own and live in the house, must have or will or agree to work with Alabama Legal Services to get one, and the property must be within city limits. To meet income eligibility requirements, single applicants must earn less than $32,700. Families of 8 can make up to $61,650. I'm going to put a link below how you can apply. Applications can be made in person or on the 5th floor of Government Plaza, or by calling 251-208-6294. Here's the story.
If your house has any roof damage and you're in Mobile, listen up. A new program could help you get it fixed. The city's Neighborhood Development Department is taking applications until April 29 for the Critical Repair Program. Now, residents can get up to $10,000 for replacement or repair costs. Who's eligible? Look at your screen. You have to own and live in the home. You also have to agree to work with Alabama Legal Services. The property needs to be within city limits, and there are some income requirements too. Look at the numbers. It ranges from less than $32,700 for individuals all the way up to less than $61,650 for a family of 8.
But the goal is to keep homeowners in their homes so they do not deteriorate and contribute to the blight in our community.
People can apply in person at Government Plaza on the 5th floor, or you can call this telephone number, 251-208-6294.
Very cool. We do have quite a few subscribers in Alabama. If you know anyone who lives in the area, if maybe you're a roofer in our community, tell your potential homeowners who might qualify or use this program. Obviously, not everyone can afford new roof, and it's a very great initiative by the government, local government in Alabama. I'm gonna put links and phone number below. Good luck.